Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Trello board links from websites step by step clearly. To uninstall Trello board links from websites, start by opening the website where the Trello link is embedded. Locate the specific page that contains the Trello board link you want to remove. In your browser, right-click on the area where the Trello link is located. Select the option that says Inspect or Inspect Element from the context menu. This will open the developer tools, which will show the HTML code of the web page. Look for the HTML element that contains the Trello link. It may appear as an anchor tag, usually marked with an A followed by the Trello link URL. Once found, right-click on the corresponding HTML element. Select Delete Element or press the Delete key on your keyboard. Close the developer tools to return to the web page. Refresh the page to ensure that the Trello board link has been removed. If the link is part of a content management system, navigate to the CMS dashboard. Locate the specific content or page where the link was added. Edit that page or content item to find the embedded Trello link. Remove the link from the text or HTML section. Save your changes and publish the updated content. Visit the front end of the website to confirm that the Trello link is no longer visible. If you encounter any cached versions, clear your browser cache and refresh the page again. You have successfully uninstalled the Trello board link from the website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.